This automatic door locking mechanism uses a pattern lock like on a cell phone.
At the start of the operation, the previous pattern should be reset.
Then enter unlock pattern 12587.
Slide unlock to the right.
When the mechanism holes are aligned, the lock can be released.
The lock will lock automatically when closed.
These 3 vertical holes must be parallel, likewise with the other 9 locking holes. It is made in such a way that it can be aligned using a pattern system.
This locking machine is made as simple as possible, can be customized to change patterns.
Thank you for watching. Don't hesitate to comment and subscribe.